Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Elle. I truly do hope every one of you are doing well today. I hope that you are feeling blessed and loved, safe, secure, and protected. I honestly mean that. So today I am doing a mini makeover in my home for my studio, which I am standing in right now. It's technically an office, but I have yet to put a desk in this office or studio, I should say. I'm not committed to doing so. I don't know when I'll do so, but this is a place where I create. This is a place where I overdo it with decor and I put everything that I love in here, so it may be a bit overdone, but I think that when you have one of these rooms that it's like a spare room, you can do whatever you want in it, kind of like a guest bath where you put that great wallpaper, that fancy wallpaper. So yes, this is my creativity room. I want to share it with you all. I hope you enjoy it. And I also want to say thank you for 20 plus subscribers, 20,000 plus subscribers, I should say. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you for all of the love. I truly do appreciate you. 20,000 plus subscribers, yay! Go Leslie, go Leslie.
This is what the studio is currently looking like. It's time for a change. I want to open up the space just a bit, give it a different color, brighten things up. So let's begin. So I'm going to take apart this couch piece by piece. The smaller portions are going to be removed and I'm going to keep the larger section. Next, I'm going to relocate this beautiful credenza and rug to another space in my home. So now I'm going to just clean up the area a little bit. I'm probably going to have to run this vacuum over and over in this room as I go along with this process and move in some of the larger furniture pieces, the new pieces that are going to go in this room. And also I'm going to do some touch-up painting. So now it's time to remove the decor pieces off of the display shelves. I'm going to reuse some of the books here, but a lot of the black pieces are going to be stored away. I brought in some new decor pieces that I'm going to be using. So now that I have semi-empty display cases, I'm going to give it a good cleaning. I'm unsure if I'm going to leave those large pots up there, mainly because they're really heavy to get down. Those are some DIY pots that I created using cement and black paint. The total cost was about $40 for the entire project. I got those pots from Home Depot and the cement was only about $8. So yeah, great DIY. So I might keep them in here. I'm not sure as yet, but let me get the rest of the shelves cleaned up a bit and then move on to the curtains. I picked up these curtains from HomeGoods. I had these left over from another project, so I'm just gonna pop them in there. They're sheer curtains and the length is 52 by 108, 2 panels in a pack for $24.99. And because it blends in with my color scheme, I decided that I would use them. They're very light and nice summer feel. And also I decided that if I do change them out, it would be easier to just relocate them to somewhere else. I also like the fact that I don't have to steam these curtains or iron them. They already have this light crinkle pattern on them, which goes with the decor that I'm putting into this room, as well as the length will be a little longer, but it goes with the decor style of this room. I do need to change out the curtain rod to a darker curtain rod, and I forgot to pick that up. So this curtain rod will have to suffice for now. After a bit of contemplating, I decided that I am going to take down the black pots after all and relocate them to my living room area. So now that I have a blank canvas for these display shelves, I'm going to be trying out a few different decor pieces to place on the shelves, and it's not going to be minimal at all. I am definitely going to be putting a lot on here, and the best thing I did was remove that couch from blocking the window. I think it opened up the room so much and made the space look a lot larger, and that's the one thing that I love about sectionals. You can take a sectional apart, put them back together, or take some of the pieces and style them in other areas in your home. I think sectionals are a great choice for a couch if you have the room for it. So I'm just going to be styling some more decor pieces, making my choices for the display shelves. I picked up these display shelves from Home Goods for about $200 a piece way back in September of 2020. So I'm not quite done styling the shelves as yet. However, I decided to bring in some larger pieces and some pieces for the credenza to support the pieces on the shelves to give me a better idea and outlook of how I want the whole room styled. I also have to go ahead and mop and vacuum the rest of the floor before I put these floor pillows down. Now that I vacuumed and mopped the floor for about the third time, I'm going to go ahead and place this beautiful rug that I picked up from Tuesday morning. This rug is 5x7. It has a nice soft woolly feel to it. It is durable and I love the color. It goes perfectly with the curtains and I love the pattern, this diamond pattern on it. And then I have these beautiful floor pillows that I picked up from Home Goods a few months back. I also did a haul on them and I think it's going to go really lovely in the room. Now I decided not to put a desk in this area for now. I haven't found a desk that I like and I just want to keep the space a little bit open and the space a little bit versatile since it's not a traditional office. So placing the floor pillows there are going to really do the trick with closing in that space by the window without adding bulky furniture. So I'm bringing in the rest of the decor pieces. I'm going to finish style this room and then I'll be back to show you the final reveal. So now that the room is complete, you can see that it does have some sort of theme going on. It has a world-traveled look, and it wasn't intentional. I think I'm just attracted to these ethnic pieces. So a lot of the pieces in here, like these floor pillows, came from Home Goods. They were $29.99 a piece, and the basket came from Ross. The throw came from where did it come from? Tuesday Morning. I'm sorry, brain freeze there. And then the pieces on the window came from Tuesday Morning as well. Unfortunately, it's hard to source these pieces, like put a link in the description box, because they are one-off pieces. You know, you may go there and not find them again. So on the display cases, these are some of my favorite pieces. Like these bookends were $14.99 a piece. And I picked up those books from the Salvation Army. These wood pieces, they came from Ross and Home Goods. And then the African lady up there came from Burlington. The basket came from Home Goods for $14.99. These vases came from Home Goods, all of them actually. And the black bowl came from Home Goods as well. Yes, I'll just give you an overall look. And then my favorite piece here, the grass skirt, came from Home Goods for $17. And I thought that was an absolute score and nice touch to add to this room. And it just looks so great on the wall with nothing else around it. It's simple, but it definitely does make a statement. I love statement pieces like this paddle in the corner, which was $29.99. Now in this corner, the pieces came from Tuesday Morning and Home Goods, the majority of these pieces, and one piece came from At Home. Like the credenza on the wall came from Tuesday Morning and it was $400. The chair came from Tuesday Morning, it was $179. I also have another one in my living room. The mirror on the wall over here in this corner above the chair came from Home Goods and it was $29.99. The large wicker vase came from Home Goods and it was about $60. The planter came from Home Goods for $16.99. That great table there, I really love that, came from Home Goods and I got that at a discount for $70. And then those books came from Salvation Army. I have to also say that styling a room this size and a room that has 4 walls, 4 corners, really helps to make the styling easier. It's, you know, it gives you a place to put the larger pieces of furniture, and having a window also helps. Like styling my living room, on the other hand, is a pain because it's a great open floor plan. Well, thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this makeover. Comment down below and let me know if there are any pieces that you liked. So I am going to also be doing a giveaway soon on my channel for helping me get to 20,000 plus subscribers. I truly do appreciate you guys. Thanks a lot, and I'll see you soon.